Usually questions come to us a lot of times from small employers because they feel that their workplace is certainly less formal, less rigid. Oftentimes employees in small employers don't punch clocks, for example. There aren't a lot of documents that are required. It's more of an informal kind of family situation sometimes. So the question always becomes whether they need to have employee handbooks or manuals or any kind of set policies. And the issue is always very case specific, and of course, depending on the needs of the small employer, we may advise you to have a handbook or not. There really is very little time that needs to go into creating a handbook, and it doesn't have to be overly lengthy. My advice usually is to have something in writing at least, so the employees have a basic source of information, a source to whom they can go if they have questions or concerns. And at least then this way, if the employer decides that it needs to take action for a violation of a particular policy, the employee is not going to be in a situation where they can say, hey, look, I didn't know about that. I didn't know I was required to do this, or I didn't know I didn't accrue my vacation time. At the beginning of the year, it was only accrued monthly. Can you give me an exception so that I can use all my vacation time up front? Things along those lines can certainly be avoided, and I think it provides for a much smoother operation.